Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly next level from Google DeepMind, the brand new image editing model integrated into Gemini, nicknamed Nano Banana. This tool makes advanced, realistic edits using only text commands. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we'll break down what it does, how it works, and why it's a game changer. Let's go. So, what's Nano Banana? Officially called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, this powerful AI model is integrated right into the Gemini app. It's developed by DeepMind and lets you seamlessly blend, edit, and enhance images, all by simply typing prompts. And the most impressive part? It preserves the subject's likeness and context, even after multiple edits. For example, you can change outfits, backgrounds, add objects, or colorize old shots, all while the person still looks like that person. No distortion, no mismatch, just clean, powerful results. Let's talk features. This tool stands out. 1. Character consistency. Keep appearances intact while switching settings or outfits. 2. Multi-turn editing. Want to edit again? No problem. Make sequential changes, like adding furniture, then a bookshelf, without losing continuity. 3. Multi-image fusion. Combine a photo of your dog and yourself into the same sleek scene. 4. Context-aware world knowledge. Apply complex transformations, like turning your cat into an anime character while keeping everything else real. 5. Watermarking and Synth ID. All images contain a visible and invisible watermark called Synth ID. It's a serious step toward transparency, though detection tools are not widely available yet. So what can you actually do with it? Change backgrounds without Photoshop, swap rooms, backgrounds, or lighting in seconds. Interior design preview. See how a bookshelf or painting looks in your living room before buying. Smart merging. Add friends or pets into group photos seamlessly, even decades apart. Creative transformations. Turn your cat into an anime character while preserving the room's context. Want to get started? First, install or open the Gemini app on your device, mobile or web. Upload your image. Type a prompt like, "Make me wear a 70s beehive hairstyle." Then hit edit. You'll see edits in seconds that look natural and accurate. Best part, it's free to use for now. Nano Banana is a phenomenal leap in AI image editing. Creative power in your hands with minimal effort. Use it for fun edits, use it responsibly, and think twice about how we handle such technology. This tool is pushing creativity forward, and it's available today. If you found this useful, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and I'd love to hear what you'd edit using Nano Banana. See you next time.